never told me that before. Oh. Yeah. Life is so delicious. Oh, the handle glory's burning away. It's crackling and bumping. And we're Suspiria worshipping and head is hanging. Oh, let's get on with our business. This may require a little concentration. So let's do it. No. No. Oh. No. Please help me see! I must see other dimensional light! Oh, come to me! Allow me to see! Let me see through me! That wasn't too much trouble now, was it? Oh, God. So, what are we going to look in on? I know. Let's look at old Margaret White, Carrie White's mother, and see what she's doing today. She's been gone for a long time. Margaret! Carrie! Carrie!
You may
you're my sinful At last, the voice of God! Margaret! What? No! It's you, Helen! You're sinful! How you breathe! Your fact that you're breathing is sinful! Helen! You fucking piece of shit! You'll be damned to hell! Don't make me find you! Have you seen my daughter? Eve was weak and loose to able of the word. I know more days for your wickedness. I know more. Look at you. Your wickedness. Where are you, you fucking bitch? You fucking piece of shit, bitch. I can see you. Oh dear, no! That was charming. She seems to be doing very well. Although she doesn't seem to look so good. Oh, well, Margaret, we'll see you later. Oh, it's my daddy. And we're to Mommy. Oh, they're doing what I do best. Oh, wow. Oh. Well, I guess we gotta get back to worshiping. Oh, let's put Thank you, me! I love me! I love me more than me! Oh, what are we talking about? Was it me? No! Not Harry! Oh! Suspiria! Oh! Oh, wait! Look! Who am I?